You guys know that meme about the woman who won't stop until her Pinterest boards become a reality? Well, that should really be about me. You guys know last year I bought a house and, in my delusional Pinterest fantasy, I decided to turn the boring little wood room into a princess ballroom. Yes, I am crazy enough to have a ballroom in my house. And I also decided that this year I would be crazy enough to decorate it for Christmas 2 days before Christmas. So with the help of a little pinspiration, see what I did there? I thought I'd take some inspo from my trip to Paris last year and do it up holiday style. So this year we're taking some of my favorite holiday pins and making them a reality yet again. It's about to be a very merry ballroom Christmas. Dun 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 dun! All DECOR. I love this store. I come here literally every year. It is so expensive, but it's the best. Rumor has it the Kardashians get their Christmas stuff here. I love it in here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at how beautiful everything is. Oh, it's the most beautiful store. Oh, it just gets better every year. Oh, paradise. Let's see. Oh gosh. What a beautiful idea. Oh, I love it. Oh, just look at the way they decorate the trees. It's so gorgeous. We didn't even go in here yet. Wow. I need it. I come here for the ideas because, oh my gosh, this is just this is Death Lethem style, man. Wow. Wow. This is so cool. Surrounded by balls. My favorite activity. I like to do my trees kind of like this, in this golden kind of style. Let's see. Oh, this is really pretty. Beautiful. Oh, I love this little bell one. Oh. I'm not allowed to buy ornaments that are not shatterproof though, because a bitch be dropping them. Wait, why does this really look like George? I always do trees like this, very monochromatic, but wouldn't it be fun to kind of do something like this? Spice it up a bit. I'm so boring. I always do the same thing, but I think this year I want to do an accent color in the ballroom. Maybe red, actually. That looks pretty. Red is classic Christmas, so. Look at all these gorgeous ribbons and the stockings. God, I just love this store. I have the full-size one of these. I am that crazy. What if I just got another giant deer? Hello. I do want to get another tree. This is the kind of tree I want for my bedroom. But I think we'll do that next year. For now, I'm going to focus on the 3 trees I already have. Okay, so do you guys want to see what I got? I got so much stuff. All right, so a little haul of what I got. Like I said, I really want to do that red Christmas tree. So I got these beautiful little red velvety gold flowers. Those are going to be fire. I got a bunch of red ribbon to tie those little knots. So we'll see if that vibes. This is literally the same stuff I used for my Princess Jasmine costume, so glad it's gonna come in handy. I got this really beautiful ribbon. I looked high and low for maroon ornaments, but eventually I found these on Amazon. They're just a really beautiful, deep red, and that's what I'm looking for to match the flowers. Got a bunch of these swirly twirly gold things, because the more glitter, the better. Oh, and of course the best ornaments of all time. Oh my gosh, I love them. So we got tons of those. Oh my gosh, I have so much stuff, and this isn't even half of it. I literally have a whole ass storage unit of just Christmas stuff. Hi! Oh, hi buddy, I missed ya. We gotta get the goods. You guys, look at all this stuff. It's everywhere. Thank you. This is hilarious. Oh yeah, they're on their way. My tree you remember from last year is this little green tree. By the way, this has nothing to do with Christmas at all. I just thought this was so beautiful. I went to a flea market yesterday and look at this. Isn't this just the most gorgeous frame you ever saw? Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh! Anyways, and now we're just gonna go nuts. So let the games begin. Bippity boppity Christmas. Okay, so here is the tree plain, and I really want to do this particular picture. I just saw this and thought it was gorgeous, so let's give it a whirl. Hey guys, that required me to do a little bit of math, which is not really my strong point. No idea if that's good, but great, we got the flowers. Okay, you guys do not want to know how long it took me to just do these few diamonds. But that's the best we got. Math, I tell you, not my strong suit. Hi, handsome. All right, let's try this. So we're just gonna go ahead and kind of put the ribbon around it. I am making this up as I go. As with most things I do, I don't really know what I'm doing. I love this part. You literally can just stick these all over the place. La-da-dee-da-da-dum. Just be whatever I want. Just gonna put a bunch of ornaments on there. La-da-da-da. Put some ornaments on the tree. And the biggest thing for ornaments is you want to layer them in the tree. Like, do you see how they're like all really deep in there? That's what's gonna give it that Lux Hotel look. See what I tell ya? I'd be dropping them. Oh, I forgot I had these. I love these. Oh God. Dun 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 dun. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Woo. We also have a special guest in the house tonight. I just thought I would show you guys. Hi. You're gorgeous. This is my chic neighbor, Julia. Remember her? Yes. Helping me elf right now with the jewelry. So thank you. We love you. Speaking of the jewelry. We got lots of fun stuff on 333. So if you guys want to shop, there you go. Happy shopping. Enjoy being glamorous. There you go. George, do we have our little Santa pack ready to go? This is so cute. Officially Santa. Shout out to my stove for always being used for things it's not supposed to be used for. Someday I'll cook. A Christmas miracle. Get some food here. My TV hasn't arrived yet, so the string of Vanessa Hudgens Christmas movies are amazing. I don't know why we don't talk about how good these movies are. Woohoo, guys, it's actually the next morning because a bitch did not finish. So we're getting back at it. Here we go. Outfit of the day on fire again. All right, we're gonna make a little bouquet here. So we're just gonna take some of the flowers that are on the tree and some of these other flowers I got and kind of mix them up. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, we're gonna set up shop on the floor of the laundry room here to do some crafts. So I made this wreath last year, but now I have to make it like red so it goes. So for this, I'm just gonna literally hot glue some balls onto it and some flowers. It's actually super easy. You just do whatever you want. I can just glue all the ornaments directly on here to just give it a little, you know, pizzazz there. Look at that, nailed it. All right, so I have all these boxes that I got, and so I also got these big pretty bows from Amazon. So we're just gonna make them look like fake little presents under there.
Are you one of the reindeer, baby? You're so cute. You are the most beautiful little golden man ever.
Guys, there's so much going on in my house all the time now. I'm having the keys replaced on my piano because I have a stain on them. Look at this.
And
Piano surgery. This is so crazy. Oh God.
Yeah.
So many things happening all the time. And an even more exciting news also, look at this. Look what's coming. The chandelier is getting installed today. It's so exciting. Oh no, I already have this one. I'll show this at night when it looks extra beautiful, but his little friend is coming. Finally. Y'all remember I bought this so freaking long ago. It was like, I don't even know, maybe last March, but I redesigned the whole thing, so it's gonna be just, oh. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's gorgeous. Oh, this is gonna be the best thing. Time to get these out. I love these, you guys know. I love collecting tiny, shiny gold objects. Oh, like stop, could you die? These are just the cutest things. I don't even know how to set these up. We're just gonna like roguely do it, but oh, it's looking good. Amazing. All right guys, it has been a really long time. It is officially nightfall, but things are really picking up. So I got the train. All right, let's try to put this bad boy together. Chair cam. Hi guys. You really think I would get more professional at some point, but no. Okay, let's see. You know, despite being a DIY person, assembly, not my thing. So after all that, kind of just looks like the harp is like trying to ward off demons. I don't know. I mean, whatever, okay.
That's so cute. George, do you love it?
Oh my gosh, you guys, it's gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm gonna get ready because this isn't really the vibe. Time to wear some, oh, damn it, sneak peek. Okay, yeah, gonna get ready so we can have some real Christmas fabulosity. Okay, 700 million years later. Are you ready? There's no place like home. There's no place like home. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Oh, it's beautiful. So are you ready for the grand tour? All right, so this is the wide shot of the room. And you can see, oh my gosh, it just looks gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is the tree. It actually came out so beautiful. It's not exactly like the Pinterest photo, but hey, I mean, it's pretty dang good attempt there. This ribbon was just so beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. He's having a wild hair day. Honestly, I don't like tree toppers, so I always just do something funky with glitter. If I had more time, I probably would have made it look a little more done than that, but you know. Oh, hi guys. This is flattering. Obviously, these are just fake presents, but I always add little like touches, like, you know, I have the nutcracker and the little angels. These used to be above my bed. Some bells, 2 boxes I had that matched the aesthetic. And of course, my babies. Oh, I love you. We do love those. They spark so much joy. I see my cute little bow. Look how stinking cute that is. Adorable. Outfit of the day real quick. White pearl Jimmy Choos because we're gonna be classy living here. A girl can dream, right? Plus, I think we like really need to talk about the chandeliers. Oh, look how good the chandelier looks. Oh, it's a real ballroom now. Oh my gosh, these are just the cutest things I ever saw. Look how beautiful these are. Oh, so much better than the old ones. Oh, and look at that. And the, oh. Wow. This is, oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Deck the halls with tons of chandeliers. Fa la 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 la. The more chandeliers, the merrier. And even the wreath, how cool. It actually stayed up there. Shout out to Command Strips. We love ya. Sponsor me. And as a special bonus clip, can you guys believe this? I filmed this morning. Look at how beautiful the sconces are, and look what they do in the light. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh. Creates like a rainbow prism everywhere. Oh my gosh, this like took my breath away. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, what's next? It's actually kind of foggy tonight, but you can still see the view. Oh, it looks like my chandeliers are dangling over the city. Wow, goals. You know, if I was God, there would definitely be random chandeliers hanging in the sky. I obviously still need to do this whole section. It's like not done. And I'm gonna get a piano to put there. I wanna get one like this. Oh, my fantasy. Honestly, yeah, I am probably gonna get another piano before I buy furniture, but my priorities are always out of whack. But yeah, so I have my shelves all like empty, but here is where I put all the beautiful little Danbury ornaments. You can see they are just the cutest dang things ever. I love them. They're like little gold filigree ornaments. Like, look at how cute. That's like a little old clock. This is actually a little fireplace. Oh, little gazebo. And look, you can see there's even little tiny, can you see them? There's people in there dancing. Y'all know I'm obsessed with pianos and harps. I even have this little Christmas train. So stinking cute. I love it. Speaking of little objects, you guys know I collect the Swarovskis, so I'll show you those. You guys know about my Swarovski crystal collection. I am literally obsessed with these. I talk about them in like every video because they're so gorgeous, but wow, I need to dust this. Anyways, I have all of my Christmas ones all laid out. So I have the bottom shelf here, which is like all the clear ones. And then I have the little gold ones up top. Aren't these just the cutest things you've ever seen in your life? Look at this little sled and the reindeer and the little train. Oh my gosh, these are just so cute. Oh, look at this. Oh, cutest thing ever. So that's that. I just love this. My always a giant mess, but that's okay. You guys don't have to see that. Anyways, so the rest of the tour, obviously we have the harp over here and the fireplace. Look, a real storybook. Oh, and Santa. Hey, Santa.
Come on, Santa, get me another piano. I've been an angel all year.
Santa baby.
Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Literally, haven't kissed anyone.
Again, if I could wink, it really would make my channel a lot sexier than it is. God, this tour is all over the place. But okay, so the fireplace, you can see, so cute. I have these little angels up there. I have those little letters for Santa. This is adorable. We love it, love it, love it. We got the cute little golden presents and some rogue Christmas balls. Ornaments, yes, good. Silver bells, no, no, no. Gold bells only. Thank you for coming to my performance of the Nutcracker. I'm very sorry you had to witness that, but thanks for watching. Wow, really is a dream. You know I always end my videos all cheesy, so I must say I think the tree is missing a little something. You guys know I made the little Sky Castle keychains for when I moved in here. And you know what? I always kind of thought that it would be something special on the tree. There. Now it's perfect. I actually only have a couple of these left on 333, but if you want them, there you go. And on that note, and that is Christmas in the ballroom. Wishing you a magical Christmas Eve and a magical Christmas Day and a magical rest of the year. And a magical every day. From me to you, XO. Okay guys, blooper time, are you ready? I'm gonna reveal something that I probably shouldn't reveal. The front of the tree is absolutely spectacular. The back of the tree... you know, what are you gonna do? Shh.